Hi YouTube, it's Mike. Today is March 24th, 2020, and I'm in Las Vegas. Judging by the date, we're obviously in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic. Every casino is closed, every kid is out of school. Las Vegas is under a voluntary lockdown. So what am I doing? I am spending the day on a bike ride, and it's my goal to, sorry, my hands are so shaky, head from where I live and go downtown, then down the strip to the Welcome to Las Vegas sign, and then take a different route back up. So I'll report along the way, take some pictures, and hope I survive. Bye. So this is stop number one on our journey. I call this the Vegas Strong mural or memorial. It commemorates the 58 people who died on October 1st, 2017, the largest mass shooting in US history to this point. It is located at the intersection of Tenaya and Westcliff. That's my bike there. So there you go. Speaking of infamous dates in history, notice how quiet the streets are. Here is stop number two. I am at the intersection of Grand Central Parkway and Bonneville in downtown Las Vegas. That right there is the, what do they call it? The Las Vegas Premium Outlets. I just rode past it. It's all barricaded off. That's the World Market Center, and I must admit that I still don't know what goes on in that building, and I've been asked many times. And this building that looks like melting butter is some kind of medical building. And over there in the distance are the casinos of downtown Las Vegas. I hope you can make out the Plaza and the Golden Nugget and Binion's. And here's the bus stop. It has a sign that to be patient, things are not exactly on schedule. So I am not going to bother going to Fremont Street because I already know that's barricaded off. So I'm going to continue westbound on Alta, which just changed names to Bonneville, and then make a right turn on Las Vegas Boulevard, otherwise known as the Strip. Here's stop number three, and I hope you recognize what you're looking at, but if you don't, that is the Gold and Silver Pawn Shop as seen on Pawn Stars. It is pretty close to downtown. This is the Las Vegas Strip, otherwise known as 5th Street here in downtown. And what else can I say? Normally I would never be riding a bike on this street because there's no bike lane, but traffic is pretty light. It's only about 40% up. Is. So, continuing the journey. This part of Vegas has a lot of wedding chapels, including this one here, the Little Wait Wedding Chapel. So I think if you want to get married by an Elvis impersonator, this would be the place to go. So again, notice how nice and light the traffic is. We are now near the Stratosphere, and contrary to popular opinion by tourists, this is actually where the city line of Las Vegas is. And where I'm at now is the Las Vegas Strip and Main Street. And you see the Stratosphere right there. So all the casinos of the Strip from the Mandalay Bay all the way up to the Sahara are not in the city of Las Vegas. They're actually in a, I don't know exactly how to frame it, but a unincorporated municipality called Paradise. So there you go. next stop brings us to the intersection of Spring Mountain and the Strip. We're looking southbound down the Strip right now. See, there's the Treasure Island, the Venetian, the Palazzo there. And this is the pedestrian overpass linking the Fashion Show Mall and the Wynn Encore down there. They have the Strip all a little bit further down. All the northbound lanes are blocked off and all the traffic is on the other side, so it was kind of dicey getting here actually on a bicycle. And over here we have the Fashion Show Mall. The doors are shut and locked. There's a sign on them stating that they're respecting the what I would call a voluntary directive to close non-essential businesses. So there you go. Let's go on. We are now obviously looking at the famous Mirage volcano. This is just eerily quiet. I've been here many times when it was difficult to even get a good view of the volcano erupting. Try to count how many human beings you see here. I see a jogger on the other side of the street. There's a few pedestrians over there. I've seen a lot of police cars on the Strip, just parked there. I'm not really sure why they're there. They don't seem to be doing anything. Yeah, surreal. It's hard to describe it in words. Our next stop brings us to Caesar's Palace, and here is the famous fountains. You may recall that Evel Knievel once jumped over them on his motorcycle, and normally this fountain would be full, and there'd be a fantastic fountains going here, but look at now, there's only a few inches of water in it. And normally I guess people throw money in here for good luck, coins. But people must have gone in there and cherry-picked everything of a nickel or higher, because all I'm seeing down there are pennies. And I know I've made this point before, but just notice how few people there are. There's a very attractive jogger, but aside from her, yeah, just notice how empty it is. And speaking of fountains, our next stop brings us to the Bellagio fountains. It's obviously during the day, so the fountain show wouldn't be going, but even at nighttime it's not running. Can't blame them. So there's the Bellagio, Cosmopolitan, and I hate to keep saying this, but just notice how empty it is. So that's looking southbound down the Strip. Of course, you've got the Paris there, the Planet Hollywood. Sorry for the awful lighting, but there's the Eiffel Tower, valleys. This is looking northbound in the Strip. On a weekend evening, this sidewalk would be packed with people watching the Bellagio fountain show. There's Caesar's Palace again. And there is my bicycle taking me on this fun journey. Our next stop brings us to the New York, at the intersection of Tropicana and Las Vegas Boulevard. I'm on the pedestrian overpass right now. We are walking southbound, crossing Tropicana. That castle over there is the Excalibur. This is looking westbound on Tropicana. You just absolutely never see it this empty, not even close. Here is the Manhattan skyline, the Statue of Liberty. Here we are looking eastbound on Tropicana. There is the Tropicana, and there is the emerald-colored MGM Grand. I am the only one on this bridge except for a guy cleaning it. And let's go on. Hey YouTube, I have an apology to make. I completely forgot to take any video at the Welcome to Las Vegas sign, but I did take lots of pictures. Most of the time there was nobody there. I was there all by myself except for a couple sketchy looking homeless people. So right now, I am right across the street from our new football stadium for the Las Vegas Raiders. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, this will be my final stop. I'm going to take a more boring route back home. And I hope you enjoyed this journey. I hope you can hear this because the wind is starting to pick up. But in case anyone in the comments takes me to task for even being outside when Las Vegas is on a voluntary lockdown and California and New York are on mandatory lockdowns, there are exceptions to leave your house for essential reasons and no, I don't have the coronavirus, I hope, and to get exercise outdoors as long as you maintain 6 feet apart. And I was very compliant with that rule, so I make no apologies. And yeah, thanks for watching YouTube. Leave your comments in below and give me a thumbs up if you like this. And stay safe, everybody. Bye.